Hey guys, I posted the demo edit video, okay? Only it's set to private still because probably the lengthiest part of the whole process, see that HD coming and going? It's processing the HD version. Man, it takes forever for YouTube to do that. And I'm not sure what it's doing when it does that. I thought maybe it was parsing it for closed captioning, but no, it's not doing that because my videos, only a few of them ended up being closed captioned somehow. Yeah, I don't know what it's doing, man. It's not looking for content violation. That process is already over with. You'll see how it goes when we post our video, our result file, okay? Together, we'll post it together. As soon as this thing's done, and now I don't turn my videos loose to the public until they're obviously done rendering in HD, you know. When it's done, I'll bring you back and we'll set the visibility to public. Okay? Hang on. Oh, I should mention the reason why we can't post our result file till that one's posted there because that one has to come first before the result. The making of comes before the result. I might mention I got to take my glasses off. Boy, it's hard. I can choose either to see the phone screen or the computer screen. When you guys post video, when you're waiting for this thing to finish its HD processing, if you click on this video, it's a great time to make sure that your font work, your text is as you want it, because you'll find out, guys, it's a nightmare. Like, I'll make a little change and then save it, and then it loves to insert extra blank lines. You can go to change around a couple things and end up doing 30 saves. Not kidding you. It's a nightmare. If you want to watch your video while you're waiting, if you scroll down, where am I? No, let me go back, man. If you click this, you can, it'll open it in a new tab and you can watch it, but it won't be in HD. It's in 360p. That's why you don't want to release it to the world until it's done processing. Okay, be right back. Oh man, we're going on 15. Well, no, we're not going on. We're at the 15-minute point. It's taken Google 15 minutes to process the HD version. I've got stuff to do, man. I thought this would take a few minutes, and welcome to video posting on YouTubes, on the screw tubes. Oh man, I've got shopping to do. I have a feeling this phone will be dead when I get back. What a drag. Alright, man, here we are. It's been 20 minutes now. I gotta walk away from this. I gotta go. Because I'm gonna keep babbling like I am now. And by the way, what's up with that goofy voice, little drops that YouTubers love to do? You know, the one that says like 3 hours later type of thing, and then you know, they think they're funny, and then a minute later he comes back 9 days later. You know what I mean? It's getting old, man. Getting old. Okay, that thing finally finished, whatever YouTube calls it. Okay, man, I must apologize. I already set it to public, but this is how you do it. Here, let me go back and show you. In your content section where it shows all of your videos in order, you click on the one that you're working with, and you can change a title, you can change a description, you can change the thumbnail, you can add it to a playlist, and I don't have a playlist appropriate for video editing garbage, so I just didn't add anything there. If I click show more, it'll show us some more, and I've already added my tags. You'll see, in my, I have a text file where these are my tags that I use in every video, okay? And then I'll type up the title and then the description. I type it up in a video editor rather than in YouTube, because I have lost work before. Like, I'm sorry about that. I prefer to type it up here, and then once it's how I want it, like the description, I highlight it and copy it, right? So let me get my bearing here. Okay, so what we're going to do is let me make sure we've got the file ready. I've got a Linux hint about that. Come on, man. Okay, where are we at? I have moved the output of our work into this folder I've called FT8 Freakazoids Come Out at Night, okay? And this file I've highlighted, that's the output of our edit job, okay? And while a video transcodes, a lot of times I'll make up the thumb. Like, that's the one I chose to use, okay? Am I zoomed in? Hang on, man. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Oh my God, now I've just ruined my video. Wow, that's frustrating, man. God, you saw none of it. Oh boy. Well, I guess I'll have to edit this. Dang it, Bobby. God, I'm a loser. I downloaded that picture, and I downloaded that picture from the internet. I just Googled Freakazoid. Okay? And those are the pictures I came up with that I decided that were usable. I opened my graphics, I opened GIMP, my graphics editor, and I imported the picture. My next step was to add text, and my next step was to open, okay, I added text and I saved it as a PNG. I opened that PNG, and then I used a perspective shear tool. I used a perspective tool to change the perspective of FT8. And then I saved it. We don't need that anymore. And I saved it as this, at freakazoidfinal.jpg. That's our thumb, okay? Okay, so I'm going to show you how to, I'm going to pause you and then take a drink and we'll post it. Okay, here we go. And I apologize for being zoomed in and being too stupid to realize it. We go to create, we go to upload videos, select files, find your file, Freakazoids Come Out at Night. Here's our movie. Our movie. How old am I, man? 90? Forgive Blozo for that. I just double click it. It starts the file uploading. Now, in the title description, if you have hyphens, it'll remove them. You've got to re-add them. But in this case, it's fine. Let's add the description from our text file. FT8 Freakazoids Come Out in the Light. Yep. Okay. And talking about their the YouTube editor again, man, you're gonna go round and round and round with this. If you have your description broken up into nice happy paragraphs, God help you, because you're gonna do, I'd say, between 20 and 30 edits and then save. You know, it'll insert a couple lines, you remove them, save it. It'll insert a line somewhere else, and around you go, and finally. Finally, you'll get it right. Honestly, I find the best thing to do, just use your text editor and get it how you want it. That way that way every time YouTube assassinates it, you can just copy and paste over it, right? We're going to choose our thumbnail, and we call it freakazoidfinal.jpg. Okay. Scroll down, playlist. We don't have one. You want to create one? Or did I? Let's see. Video creation for, yes, I did too. Okay, yeah, we'll add it to that playlist. Scroll down, show more. Let's put our tags in. Um, I find this just so incredibly handy to do it this way, honestly, man. Whoops, there's our tags. And if you add too many, it'll tell you right here, you're allowed 500 characters. Given how YouTube has changed my comment permissions, they love to do that. That to hold potentially harmful comments for review. You know, comments that contain like the word shit, for example. But it's set to allow all context, all comments, and I've proven it to you guys. It really is. And so you'll see down here that it's done processing the HD version. The check's complete, no issues found. Quite honestly, man, I'm shocked that the last one on the creation of the video, oh my God, I was a repeat offender. You know what I mean? But everything is as it should be here. Anything else that you should see? I think I've by channel default is set to not made for kids. Okay, so that'll be automatically checked for me. So just next, visibility. You can make it private, in which case only those you share the link with can watch it. You can make it unlisted, in which case it remains on the YouTube servers, but it's unviewable. I don't even know if it's viewable by you. I've never tried that. Is it, Mr. R.A.? But in this case, man, we're going to make it public. One more check down here. Yeah, it's in HD. Yeah, the checks are complete. Bum looks nice. There you go, guys. Enjoy. It's on the internets. It's on the Great Oracle. You want to see? You want to make sure? My last two are added. There they are, guys. Here, man. Let me brag. Aren't they colorful? Hey, you want us? Let me take a moment. Talk about thumbs. Before I started this, my son Kyle said, remember, man, the thumbnail's everything. The thumb is king. It means more than the content and the description. And he's right, of course, because he's a young person. And I took his advice to heart. And I tried to make some nice, colorful, interesting, and, you know, like this. What did I use for the image? Oh, a map, an RBN hit map. And Union Science over here, man, something appropriate. But I've tried to, oh man, this one, Scenes from Life. Oh, dear God, dear God. And this one here, 259 views. I consider this one, guys. I consider this one. I broke out of my mold. I broke out of my mold, man. Boy, look at that mortar pattern. Dang. And I tried to do... I give up, man. Hang on. And so to close this long dribble video, I present to you, boys and ladies, the latest addition to the dump. Enjoy. C-O-I-D-S Freakazoid. It all became clear to me when I saw the sun. They aren't zombies. They aren't vampires. They're walking dead. They're dead. Hey guys, it's early morning here at the Shack of Blozo. It's about 12:30. I don't need to show you all that noise, man. You can watch yourself. Let's post this. 73.